Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. In this video, I will explain about topmost exam in India, that is GATE. That is GATE 2021. Officially, we got notification for GATE 2021 and latest update about exam date, brochure and applications, syllabus, pattern for statistics. All things in this video I will explain. First, go to the what is the introduction about GATE 2021. We all know that GATE means Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering is a national examination conducted jointly by Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore and seven topmost IITs that are Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur and Kharagpur, Madras and Roorkee on the behalf of National Coordinator Board NCB, GATE Department of Higher Education and Minister of Education. These all things exam will be through computer based test. Gate exam is CBT, computer based test. Okay. The Gate 2021 organized by IIT Bombay. This time IIT Gate exam organized by IIT Bombay. Now we can see what are the exam dates, all things. Gate 2020 score will have 3 years. Okay. This is the latest about Gate 2021. Gate 2010 will be conducted by for 727 subjects, also referred as a papers. Now we can see what are the important dates. These are the important dates. Gate 2021 examination will be conducted over 6 days and 12 seasons. Friday 5th to Friday 5th and Saturday 6th, Sunday 7th, all things in the month of February. The GATE examination is conducted different cities across India as well as 6 cities outside in India in international centers. These all things also related to the GATE 2021 information. This is also important dates for GATE 2021. Who are conducting GATE 2021 means IIT Bombay conducted exam for 2021 exam. Now we can see the application form available from 14 September 2020. Last date is 30 September and last date for register with late fine is 7th October. Correction is 13 November. Exam will be download, all things will be tentative dates are given. Then admit card for 8th January. Exam, these all are exam dates. Results should be announced on 22 March 2021. Okay. These are all the important dates regarding the GATE 2021. Now we can move to the statistics. In this video, I will mainly explain about GATE statistics ST. This is code for statistics GATE. Here we have mainly statistics comes with 30%, 30% mathematics and 70% statistics. Okay. Here we have 15 marks aptitude also, reasoning and aptitude also we have reasoning and verbal also. Okay, first we can see what are the syllabus in mathematics. Mathematics is mainly we have calculus and linear algebra. This is the latest syllabus updated from 2021. In calculus, for calculus, my refer book is SC Malik, SC Malik, SC Malik. Fundamentals of real analysis, I think. For real analysis, SC Malik is best book. And for linear algebra, we can take Sam series. Sham series is the best book for matrix theory means linear algebra. For calculus and real analysis, SC Malik is best book for GATE. Now we can move to the statistics topic. Statistics, in the statistics we have probability, and for probability Vijay K. Rothki book is best book. My refer book Vijay K. Rothki book is best book for probability. For stochastic process, J. book. J. book is best book. Okay. These are syllabus you can see In the description link I provide syllabus all things also. Now we can see for estimation and testing of hypotheses, this is for non-parametric statistics. I refer Nitesh Mukhopadhyaya. Statistical Inference book. Nitesh Mukhopadhyaya or K.C. Labarkar. Okay. For multivariate analysis, Johnson book is best book. Johnson. For regression, CRO. These are my reference book for statistics. Later on videos, I upload all things related to statistics in GATE. In the description link I provide brochure and statistics syllabus also. All things I provide in description link. Please check on description link. Thank you for watching.